Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel where we provide quick and easy technology tips for students, educators, and professionals. Today's video, we are going to show you how to create and set up a professional signature in Microsoft Outlook. So whether you're using the desktop app or the web version, by the end of this video, you'll have a digital business card added to all your emails. Let's get started. First, let's understand what a signature is. A signature is a block of text or images that appears automatically at the end of your emails. It usually includes your name, job title, company details, and contact information. Think of it as your personal business card inside every email you send. Now, we are ready to start creating our signature. For this video, we'll demonstrate two methods for creating signatures. First, we'll use the Outlook desktop application and then show you how to do it on the web version of Outlook. The Outlook desktop application comes with several pre-built templates that can help you get started quickly. Simply follow these steps to create a new signature. Click on File at the top left corner of the window, then select Options from the drop-down menu. From the left menu options, choose Mail and then click on Signatures. Click New to create a new signature. In the pop-up window, give your signature a distinctive name. For example, you may want to use your first and last name so you can distinguish between different signatures later. In the editor box below, you can now type or paste in your information such as your full name, job title, department, phone number, email address, website, and other relevant details. You can also add images such as your company logo or social media icons. However, do keep in mind that the size of the image should be optimized. Otherwise, it will take up a lot of space and affect the overall layout. Under Choose Default Signature, select your email account and the types of messages that will automatically include your signature. Click OK to save your changes. Now, when you compose or reply to emails, your signature will appear automatically at the bottom, making it easy for your recipients to get in touch with you. You can change the position of your signature as well. For example, you might want to move it to the top so that it is visible as soon as the recipient opens the email. If you have multiple email accounts associated with your Outlook, repeat the previous steps for each account and choose the corresponding default signature for each. There you have it. This is how to create a signature in Outlook Desktop. Now let's explore how to do the same on the web version of Outlook. Creating a signature on the web version of Outlook is very simple and can be done in a few clicks. First, go to Outlook.com and sign into your account. Once you are signed in, click the Settings gear icon on the top right corner of the page. Then select View All Outlook Settings from the drop-down menu. Now from the left menu under Mail, choose Compose and Reply. Scroll down to the Mail Signature section and type or paste in your details here. Just like in the desktop version, you can also add images such as your company logo or social media icons. But again, make sure that the size is optimized. Don't forget to check the boxes to automatically include your signature in new emails and replies. Finally, click on Save to finish creating your signature. That's it. Your signature will now appear in every email you send on Outlook Web. Now that you know how to create a signature, let's take a closer look at what it should include. A great signature should be informative, concise, and visually appealing. Here's a quick breakdown of what to include. First, include your full name. Make sure it is prominent and easy to read. You can use larger font sizes or bold text to make your name stand out. Next, add your job title or a brief description of your role. This helps recipients understand your position and expertise. Keep it simple and specific. After that, include your organization's name. If you are representing a company, club, or group, make sure to mention it in your signature. You can also add a link to your organization's website so recipients can learn more about what you do. Now it's time to add your contact information. This should include your email address, phone number, and any other relevant contact details. Make sure your email address is current and accurate so that people can easily reach you. You can also include a link to your professional networking profile such as LinkedIn. Lastly, consider adding a closing remark. This could be something as simple as best regards, kind regards, respectfully, or thanks. Choose a closing that is appropriate for your professional setting and reflects your personal style. While creating a signature, there are some best practices you should keep in mind. First, keep it brief. Your signature should be concise and to the point. Avoid including long paragraphs or blocks of text. Instead, use bullet points or short phrases to present information. People should be able to quickly scan your signature and find the information they need without feeling overwhelmed. Next, use a professional font. Choose a font that is easy to read and aligns with your professional brand. Stick to classic and readable fonts like Arial, Calibri, or Times New Roman. Also, avoid using overly decorative or stylized fonts that can be distracting or difficult to read. Now, make sure to proofread carefully before setting your signature. Double-check for any spelling or grammatical errors. A mistake-free signature reflects your attention to detail and professionalism. Ask a colleague or friend to review it as well. Creating a professional signature in Microsoft Outlook is a simple yet effective way to enhance your email communication by following the steps outlined in this video. You can easily create a signature that includes your name, contact information, and other relevant details. Remember to keep it concise, professional, and visually appealing. Whether you are using the desktop application or the web version of Outlook, the process is straightforward and user-friendly. Start creating your signature today and make a lasting impression on your recipients. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and share it with your friends. We would appreciate your support. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos. We release new videos every week covering a wide range of technology topics. Thank you for watching. Until next time, stay curious and keep learning.